Okay guys, so as promised, I am going to do a sound test. So yeah, just so that you can see how good the sound on this thing is. We're first going to do the satellite test, which is probably the mids and highs. I don't know about mids, maybe it's just highs and lows for this one. But I'm going to plug my iPod in. And I don't actually have my iPod Touch at the moment. Long story, not really gonna tell it right now. So I got my iPod plugged in, and I'm pretty sure I'll get in trouble if I don't tell you guys this information. In trouble with YouTube or like whoever the artist is, obviously. I'm going to play the song Edge of Heaven by Breathe Carolina. Again, probably have to give you that song information and who it's by for it to be passed by YouTube. But I'm only going to play not even like 45 seconds maybe. I'm going to do like a few seconds for that and then a little for the bass. So, bass is turned down and we'll listen to the satellites. That is not the song I wanted to play. Sorry about that. Okay. You don't really need to see him, so I'm just gonna point the mic at it. Alright, so that is the satellites. I think it sounds pretty decent with the satellites. Now I'm going to unplug the satellites and do bass only, and then after we're going to do a both of them together. So I'm going to turn the bass dial all the way up again, unplug the satellite speaker, and you'll now have your bass. Alright, so that is the bass part, and now I'm going to plug the satellites back in and show you all at the same time. And all together, it sounds completely amazing. Okay, so I highly recommend this to anybody who's looking for a cheap solution to their sound needs. Honestly, these things were a great deal. They were only $20, and sounds like that for $20, that's not something you see every day. I purchased these months ago, so the price probably even went down from that, but Logitech S220, go out and buy yourself a pair. They're just so worth the money. I mean, for $20, you can't get much better than that. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.